Yesterday was such a beautiful day, so I went to the park. The sun shone brightly in the blue sky, and a gentle breeze rustled the leaves on the trees. The park was filled with happy sounds. I saw a group of children having the best time. They played on the big green lawn, their laughter echoing all around. A few of them ran a race from one end of the field to the other. Their little legs moved so fast. They ran with pure joy on their faces, not caring who won or lost. After the race, they all collapsed on the grass, laughing and catching their breath. It was a really sweet moment. Then, my eyes drifted over to the playground area. It was buzzing with energy. I watched as several kids climbed the colorful jungle gym. They climbed up the ladders and slid down the big yellow slide, one after another. A little girl with pigtails climbed all the way to the top and waved to her mom, looking so proud of herself. Near the sandbox, two boys met for the first time. One was building a huge sandcastle with a moat, and the other just watched for a minute. Then, the first boy offered his shovel, and soon they were working together. They met new friends right there, building their sandy kingdom side by side. They dug and patted the sand, completely focused on their creation. As the afternoon went on, the kids played all sorts of games. Some played tag, weaving in and out of the trees. Others threw a frisbee back and forth, their throws getting better with each toss. Everyone shared their toys and included each other. They just enjoyed the simple fun of being outdoors and playing together. When the sun started to set, parents began calling their children. It was time to go home. The kids gathered their things, tired, but still smiling. They waved goodbye to their new friends and promised to play again soon. The park grew quiet again, but the happy memories of the day remained. It was a perfect afternoon, full of laughter, friendship, and play. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories.